I'm really confused about the access. Like, a lot of this is federal land, but a lot of it doesn't have direct hiking access, so you have to hike a back way in, or I'm curious to see, getting to some of the boundaries, what's fenced off. I don't think they, especially with the park's budget now, they are not spending a lot of money on developing these kind of things, even though they have, I guess, the stewardship of it. Let's call it that. That looks like a mound to me, and it is a very large. Trying to figure out the camera controls on the new iPhone. There we go. It's not as touchy as I'd like it. Alright. There's the trail. This is their fence action. I don't even see any signs. Half the posts are sticks. That's just to block the animals, right? Oh, wow, that's completely bent down. But... oh my gosh, this is broken. Oh, there's poison ivy in here. Wait, no. No, that's not it. Let me look some more. No. No. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. No. Can't tell. Let's try. Oh, it's over here too. I don't know. I can't tell if that's it. It sucks. Let me go all the way around because this fence has been down completely. Alright. This view though. Wow. Oh my. Stunning. Get out here before it's even more and more developed. Every time I come out here, it is more and more developed, and it's very stunning. Down there is called Devil's Hollow. Or maybe down here. Obviously this is green. I think on the map it has that appearance of like grayness because I think they burnt it. Because there's a lot of charcoal around here. Dang, I guess I have to go all the way back. Because that right there says private property. But actually it's just, I'm guessing, the fenced in area? I guess, I don't know, there's like a road there. I don't know. I'll think about it more before I come back and try to explore more. I wonder if I can go through the brush. Would it be worth it? Mounded. Absolutely a mound. At least they didn't let someone put private property here, but they should properly designate this. And I'm just walking the fence line. The house is not far from here at all. So I need to get back on the trail. Oh, there it is. Straight through. There's that private property. It's real small and gorgeous landscape. Hope they're paying their taxes. We're homesteaders. We don't pay taxes. So I guess all of that is open for hiking, except when you get to down there. It's real brushy over there. I wonder what's in there. Can hike right up to the top. Let's go. Bunch of property down there. Let's keep going, I guess. Been out here for an hour and a half so far. This was, look, there's fucking foundation stones, or what is that? This was definitely some indigenous habitated stuff here. 100%. I mean, okay, 90%. Like got burnt. Okay, it goes up and down. Cool. Shell mound. End of video.